Breaking news coming in. Aryan bail hearing begins. Aryan Khan's lawyer Anil Desai currently arguing in court. Aryan's defense is not charged with illicit drug trafficking. Aryan's defense says Section 27A of the NDPS Act not applicable in his case. Also, the defense lawyer has says that Aryan did not have anything. So where exactly is the conspiracy? That is the bail hearing that is going on. We're getting you second-by-second updates in terms of what is happening in the court at the moment. We're getting you the latest coming in. Aryan Khan's lawyer Anil Desai currently arguing in court at the moment, going on to say not charged with illicit trafficking and Section 27 of NDPS Act not applicable, did not have anything. So where is the conspiracy? Superstar Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan's bail hearing underway in Mumbai Session Court. Aryan's lawyer currently presenting the arguments after Narcotics Control Bureau submitted its reply to the court, arguing strongly against the NCB's claims. Aryan maintains that no drug was found on him and neither is he involved in any buying or selling of drugs. Aryan's lawyer has also said there is nothing new in NCB's affidavit, and when the agency has not found any evidence against Shah Rukh Khan's son, then how can they link him with drug trafficking racket? Aryan also denies any kind of connection with other drug case accused. However, Aryan accepted his friendship with Arbaz Merchant in court, saying that they've grown up together. Mustafa Sheikh is now joining us live from Mumbai. Mustafa, Aryan has gone ahead and denied any connection with the other drug accused. He has accepted his friendship with Arbaz Merchant in court, saying that they've grown up together. And really, his friendship with Arbaz Merchant has nothing to do with whether he consumed drugs, did not consume drug, was found in possession or not. And hence, here the question is, if he was not found with drugs on that particular ship, what case and what does the NCB stand on right now? What are they saying in the affidavit?
Well, yes, we have seen extensive arguments which have been made by Aryan Khan's lawyer, Amit Desai, and he has repeatedly said that there was no drug consumption or there was no drugs found with Aryan Khan, but with Munmun and Arbaz Merchant, and he's friends with Arbaz Merchant. But the NCB believes that Arbaz Merchant had procured marijuana, and that was procured with the help of Aryan Khan. This they have said repeatedly, and hence they are saying that it's a larger conspiracy which they want to investigate. Now it will be at the courts. First, Aryan Khan's lawyer and then other defense lawyers will argue, and then it would be the NCB's lawyers who will be arguing in the court on the arguments which have been placed by the lawyers of the accused, and then the court will have to decide. The court at this point of time will not have to go through the entire merits of the case, because that is something comes up in the trial. But yes, the court mainly has to decide whether the offence which is being made out against Aryan Khan is evidence enough to keep him behind bar for more time, and also will the investigation be hampered if Aryan Khan comes out of jail. So these are the two grounds on which courts allow or deny bail to an accused in the ongoing investigation. So we'll have to wait and see by what time the arguments are over and by what time the judge orders, and it will be entirely dependent on the session.
So I want to ask you, what is this particular international angle that the NCB is claiming that they want to probe some international links? What is the NCB saying as far as these international links are concerned vis-a-vis Aryan Khan? What is it that they say at the moment in court with regards to this?
Well, the NCB has been referring to a WhatsApp chat which had taken place about 3 years ago, and Aryan Khan in that is supposedly to have said about some procurement drugs internationally. So those are the WhatsApp chats which the NCB has heavily relied on, while the defense lawyers argue that the chats are not enough. They just are incriminating evidences. There are also links to see whether it was indeed the drugs was procured, the drugs was consumed or not. So these are links which will the NCB have to find out to prove this theory of international drug racket. As of now, they have arrested 2 foreign nationals, Nigerians, who are in this case, and they are termed to be suppliers and drug peddlers in this case who had supplied drugs. But at the same time, whether it amounts to international conspiracy is not is something on the NCB to prove. We'll have to wait and see.